22nd of April 2025, the peace of Pahalgam was torn alive. Tourists came to feel the hilltop breeze, but bullets rained beneath the trees. Innocents fell, hearts turned to stone. Fathers wept and children cried alone. They came from shadows across the line, with hatred deep and a twisted sign. But the soil of India does not fear. We hold our ground year after year. You can attack, you can strike the light, but we are the dawn, we win the fight. We rise from blood, we rise from flame. Pahalgam will never be the same. You took our people, but not our soul. India stands unbreakably whole. And while you hide behind your lies, we build the truth that never dies. The resistance front came with guns, with terror blunt, backed by Pakistan's silent aid. A coward's war and fear was made. But justice waits and justice sees, and truth flows stronger than your pleas. You tried to silence joy and sound, but roots of peace grow from this ground. Pakistan, your future's torn. With every lie your children mourn. While India learns, while India grows, you bleed in hate, the whole world knows. Let knowledge rule where guns once spoke. Let education heal the yoke. We are the voice your bombs can't kill. A billion hearts, an iron will. We rise from blood, we rise from flame. Pahalgam will never be the same. You took our people, but not our soul. India stands unbreakably whole. And while you hide behind your lies, we build the truth that never dies. Every child remember the day when shadows tried to steal the way. But from 22nd April's pain and cries, a stronger India chose to rise.